and we're gonna let Scotty go outside so he can use the restroom. March 14th, 2017. Come on, Scotty, you wanna go outside? Go ahead, buddy. Go on. Go. Are you kidding that?
Oh, he did it.
He's a big dog. That is one reason to get a big, big dog.
No reason for
I can't see him at all.
All right. It's actually really windy out here. It's the thing says it's -9 wind chill right now. Which is why I got to put this on. And I'm gonna dig till the dog gets back, I guess. Come on, Scotty. There's a lot of snow. Do you get it very well?
Yeah.
And we're supposed to get this again tonight. Into tomorrow, like this much again, right?
Yep.
Holy free moly! So it'd probably be about 6 feet. I think, because that's about 3 feet right now. Yeah, good enough. Holy moly, that is so cool! You could build like a whole snow battle out there. Like you could just put arrows up there and go.
Wow. That's unbelievable.